Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a parrot initiated from number 9. Let's start the drawing. So we draw number 9 first. Okay, let's extend it like this. Let's draw another line like this. We can connect it like here. This is the eyes. This is the wings. This bird, it's standing on the branch of a tree. Let's draw the branch here. This is the branch. Alright, now we can do little detailing and put the shades on the drawing. Here's the darker shade of the branch. Alright. Little detailing on the wings. The bird looks good here. The more we shade we put on it, the more it becomes visibly nice. Here comes the head. And the front part of the body. Let's make the legs little darker. Alright, the drawing is done. I hope you guys like this bird. Please like, share and subscribe for more updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.